Oh, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Elisa Marie Design. My phone is telling me I have like 40 minutes of video time. So I have to clean my phone up first. I am still sitting here with Year of the Horse. This is where we left off last night. I was going to place my baggies ready to go inside my tray that I have that holds baggies, and then, do the kit up. I have my book out. I'm going to use this just to write down what my colors are. I didn't put this in Gems Flow yet because I just didn't have the time. But look at all the extra drills that I have. These are the 17 enhancements plus the bigger bags that just did not fit in here. So until I, which will be, later on today, separate these into my shade colors, my light colors, which are my highlight colors, and then everything in between, then we'll go through this and we'll get started on this. I can't wait. I hope you got a chance to see what the heck is on here. I hope you got a chance to see Kat yesterday. What the heck was eating in my room? So Kat was on diamond painting with NMD with Tammy, and she was saying that they kind of did agree on this is going to be like it's a yearly event, but it's going to run monthly. So go over to her site, Sparkle Dust and Diamonds with a Z. I'll put it down below. Go over to her site, fill out the Google form. And every month that's how they're going to run the event, even though it's a year-long event. Okay. And the section that you have to complete is a 20 by 20. If you start with another canvas, if you're like, oh God, I'm so bored with this, I want to do another horse canvas that I have, you have to fill out another Google form. They're like the hard facts that I know. So I'm going to put this away because I'm going to be doing this later and I need my phone to put it in my Gems Flow and get all the colors and everything. And I have two boxes that are looking at me. One is a Diamond Art Club, Bear Bricka, and the other one is a Dreamer Design. And I believe that this is going to be my last Dreamer Design and Kurtis Rykovich canvas. So tune in for that. I'm going to go get this put away. I'm going to clean up my phone, and I will see you in a baby bit. Bye.